You're kind of in a favorable temperament, so I'm going to shoot a little video. Tegan, what do you think? What do you think, Tucker? What do you think, baby? You are awake, huh? Oh. Ah, good sneezes. Yes.